Powerhouse, presented by Alliant Energy.
Alliant Energy, we're on for you.
We're here at Greencrete, a company that has developed a new concept in building, and not only is it environmentally friendly, it's also manufactured right here in the Midwest.
That's right, Megan. This system uses compressed building blocks made of plant fiber to create a house. In fact, we're going to take a look at a house that's been built with this system and one that's under construction.
That's right. I'm going to take you inside right now, and we'll find out just how they make these building blocks. This is a Greencrete block. And here to tell us more is Ron Bissett, who is the president as well as the co-founder of Greencrete. Can you explain to us in general what this product is?
Well, Greencrete is a building block that is an alternative building block, sort of a composite material, a solid block that you can build your whole house out of.
How did you come up with the concept to put these materials together?
Well, there's quite a history of hempcrete or Greencrete in Europe. They've been building with this type of material for 1,200 years. Initially, it was used with a post and beam system. What we've done is innovated on it and created a load-bearing building block.
Out of natural fiber.
Out of natural fibers, we start with our hemp hurd, which is the woody part of the hemp plant, the core of the plant. It's like a balsa wood, but it's much stronger.
It's really light.
Yeah, very light. And on its own, it has very high R value, so it gives the block very good thermal performance. And we use a specialty cement, which is a magnesium cement, which is the same type of cement used on the Great Wall of China. In fact, we use the same formulas that they used back then. So it's quite unique for that. And together they form a very good material for building a home.
Because it's a natural fiber inside, is it an issue or a concern that insects may invade the product or the blocks, or rodents?
That's a good question, Megan. The fibers are completely mineralized with this cement. And there's a certain ingredient that which is part of the formula that inhibits any insect or rodent.
Now let's walk through this process. You've got this, which you combine, and then does it take a tremendous amount of pressure? Is that how you get it so heavy?
It takes a certain amount of pressure. It's approximately 2,000 pounds of pressure per inch in a specific applicator, a mold, and the product has to cure in a mold, and then in the next day we take it out and we can build with it.
Talk about some of the benefits of using Greencrete blocks as opposed to traditional building materials.
Well, Greencrete has a very high thermal performance as a building block, so it's very energy efficient. As a thermal performance, you talk about a whole wall system, and you can determine that through infrared photograph, for example. The other thing is that it breathes very well, so it manages moisture, which translates into no mold and mildew in your house. It's completely non-toxic, so there's no outgassing. It's plasters and stuccos, very nice natural finishes.
Now, for you, this is a relatively new product, and for here in the Midwest, how can you be so confident that this is going to be around for homeowners, say, decades from now?
Well, you know, we've already done serious tests on the material. We've gotten compressive strengths done, for example, which show that it meets all the criteria that the building code would require. Other than that, it has that history of being used in France, and in fact, they've uncovered material that was 600 years old that was stronger than it was when it was originally made. It tends to petrify and get stronger with time.
Wow, you can't say that about many building materials. Let's go out and take a look at this product in a new home construction.